Hi guys, I'm standing with the 290 QB Hideout. This is one of our popular Hideout floor plans. It's very family friendly and it just checks a lot of boxes off for people. So we're going to start from the outside, kind of work our way in. So at the very front, you actually have dual propane under that plastic casing, diamond plating down at the bottom of your front cap. You are prepped for side marker cameras, and you even have some pass-through storage. Front and rear stabilizer jacks, a huge power awning, outdoor speakers, solid steps at your entrance, and then a leash/bottle opener right next to that. And then moving along down, we have our water heater, fresh water connection, the exit point to your furnace, an outlet if you need to plug anything in. And then this is really interesting about this camper. You have extra storage at the back. So it kind of makes a U shape. I'm not able to access on the non-camping side just because there's a camper on the other side. But you do have 3 entrances to this basement storage. So really awesome, extra space to put anything that you want to bring. Spare tire at the very back. And then there's that extra entrance into that U-shaped basement storage. And you are also prepped for a rear view camera. So let's check out the inside. This actually comes in weighing at 6,500 pounds, a little bit over. So at the very front of our camper is our master bedroom. Queen size mattress with storage underneath. You do have end tables on both sides, and what's interesting about the one I'm standing in front of, it actually has a laundry hamper that goes out into your pass-through storage, so that's really awesome. His and hers lockers on both sides. That's what that looks like. And you even can put some extra space on this shelf right here. You also have outlets on both sides if you need to plug anything in. And then right across from me, you actually have a spot for a mounting bracket, so you can hang a TV up in here, and then all of your hookups and stuff are right there. There are 2 entrances to this bedroom, so you don't have to feel cramped going in one side. And there even is 2 opposing sliding doors for a little bit of extra privacy. On the other side of that wall is your entertainment center. I love that they wanted to mimic a actual fireplace, because you do have one down below, and this is electric and will emit heat if it happens to be pretty chilly. But I just love that it has this shelving to look like a mantle, extra place to put decorations and storage. And you also have your Bluetooth speaker system connected into this, so access indoor and outdoor speakers, it's all right there. And then just up above is a spot for your TV bracket for your living room, and of course all of your hookups. Kind of at an angle is your sleeper sofa. So this will fold out into a sleeping space for maybe 1 to 2 people depending on the size. Right next to that is your booth dinette. These are my favorites. Super plush seating material, but this also folds out into an extra sleeping space. So lot of sleeping room in this camper. Right across is your kitchen. So starting from the bottom, this feature is actually pretty cool. So this is a road vac. It's a built-in vacuum system in your camper, and it comes with a, I believe, a 30-foot hose, so you're able to vacuum every square inch of this camper. And if you really wanted to, you could pull your car up next to your camper and even vacuum out your car. But I love that this is built in. You don't have to bring your broom or your vacuum with you. It's just one less thing to worry about. 2 sets of drawers are above that, and then extra storage space below your sink. And I love this interesting shape to the countertop. It's at an angle, but you just have all this extra space to prepare your food. And then of course you have your sink. I would say it's like a 60-40-ish split. Nice window to look out while you are cooking. Outlet, and of course you have this extra cabinet space up above with a cool design on it. And I even love that there is a light in there. So it's just kind of like a night light, or it's just accent lighting. Microwave, and then you even have your range fan and light. 3 burner top stove with a glass range cover. And then of course your oven. And then this is another safety feature that is, I believe, relatively new. So you have these really pretty accent lights on. And of course, we don't have our propane hooked up right now. There isn't any propane in here. So if you wanted to turn one of the burners on, you can see which one is active by the red accent light. So if a kid or somebody happens to bump into it on an accident, you're able to see which one is on and turn it off real quickly. It even works with the accent lights off. So it's a really awesome safety feature that they added. And then your refrigerator, pretty good size. Moving along back, we have just this extra storage space. You can use it for your living room, pantry, or just extra place for your kids to put their things. And then right across is your bathroom. So you have your shower tub combo, porcelain foot flush toilet. Sink is right across from your entrance. And then of course you have your storage below, outlet if you need it, and additional countertop space. And last but not least, we have this really awesome quad bunk. So this is the winning feature for this camper because this is all about the kids. Awesome playroom. Even if you only have 2 kids, the bottom bunks fold up to that pass-through storage I showed you at the back of your camper. So you can leave these folded up if you want, maybe put some bikes in there. A lot of options with this. And then even in the middle, there's just extra storage space. And I believe a TV can hang up, maybe set it right here, get a table, have a TV set up. There are outlets underneath each bunk, and these bunks are rated for 300 pounds, so a full-size adult can sleep up there if they need to. And the door to this is the same sliding door that is into the bedroom, so you don't have to swing it in or out. You kind of maximize this whole area. Really cool. Love these bunks. So that is it for this hideout, you guys. If you have questions or concerns, please let us know, and we are happy to help.